I'm not ready.
I don't know.
God.
Honestly, if we just break in different directions, we might as well.
Somebody's bound to make it. Alright.
It's gonna be me. I mean, that doesn't make it. Fuck, there's two of them.
Nope.
No, there's...
Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. You're kidding, dude.
Okay.
Please help me.
I'm trying, hold on. There we go. Get in!
Jump, you fucking stupid. Oh my god.
You... Bro, let's get the fuck out of
Oh
here.
my God. Is Bree dead?
Oh yeah, she got mimicked.
Oh, no way.
She was texting, yeah, she was texting the group chat. She was like, "There's a mimic outside now." I'm like,
God,
oh.
no. That was the least of my worries.